Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to clear history on Google search on Android. Let's start. To start, open Google in your Android device. Now search for myactivity.google.com. After that, tap on Menu on your top left. Select the option of Delete Activity by. Here you need to select the time. To clear all history, select All Time. Also, you can delete the history of last day. If you want to select Custom Range, enter the days after and before. Similarly, you can select Last Hour to delete the recent history. You just need to hit the Delete button to delete the history of that specific time period. Within a few seconds, your history deletion will be completed. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.